So we've put forward, if you've read our papers, we put forward a bridge design, which we're very, happy to be working on, called layer cake. And what that does is it essentially reduces the risk surface. It reduces the risk surface by allowing the bridge to be collateralized. And what do I mean by that? So if you think about a physical bridge, you have a roadway. That roadway can only handle a certain number of cars. And if you think about the number of cars that it can handle in, say, 1 hour, the maximum number of cars, that's our collateral. So we essentially have collateral for all the funds that are in transit, right? So let's say we have $1 million of collateral on a layer cake bridge. That means $1 million can flow across the bridge in one time step.
Okay.
So we reduce our risk by essentially setting a bandwidth limit, $1 million, rather than all of the value of the bridge in one go. So if it's attacked, you can only take $1 million.
Right.
Even then, if it's attacked, we've got the collateral. So essentially, our bridge providers would be underwriting the risk of the bridge. And in fact, they're actually underwriting the risk of themselves being malicious. That's why we have the collateral. So you have this set of providers that operate the bridge. Fine, absolutely. But how do you make that trustless? You make that trustless by collateralizing them and then making the amount that can cross the bridge the amount of collateral they've put up. So they earn fees on their collateral, but if they're malicious, if the bridge gets attacked, they obviously pay out. So it's like insurance for a bridge.
It's kind of interesting. Would it be fair to say that the analogy is like, in order for me to drive my car over the bridge, I have to have another car that I put in collateral. So in case my car falls off the bridge, then I have another car to stick on there?
I think that's pushing the analogy too far. I guess it's more like the manufacturers of the bridge will give you a car if the bridge eats your car.
Got it. Yeah.
Right? That's the point of it, which is if the bridge goes wrong, principally, if we get the code right, the bridge will only go wrong because the operators of the bridge became malicious.
Right.
At which point their collateral is used to pay out whoever they stole from.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.